Hi, this is Brett Marriner with Communication Exhibits Incorporated here at the CES Show 2019. Very excited to talk to you today about some of the technology trends that we see rolling into this year. One of those that we had the experience, we've seen it the last couple of years kind of building as it goes, but really this year is the year to bring this into the marketplace. This is the year to use it. It's holograms. What you're seeing right now, like when you look at the video footage of it, it looks exciting. I mean, it looks great, but seeing it in person is amazing. It literally looks like a holographic video floating in front of you. I think this would be a great technology that you could use all over your booth. You can tile them out, so you can make a wall of these. You could have a huge holographic image floating across it. You could just have a row of them. Maybe it's just like a 1x4 grid that you have across, and you could have your product logo kind of animated across it. This is something that could be a hanging sign as well, so you have high visibility. And it's one of those pieces of technology that just looks amazing, and I think it's going to be a very affordable mix into your exhibit program as we roll into the year.